Hey, what's up guys? It's Spectrum back here with a brand new video. Today we're going to be doing another unboxing video. We got a big box here and I'm pretty sure, no, I know for a fact that inside of this box is 2 of my grails along with, I guess the Carnage would be a grail too. So 3 grails in here, not 4. So I'm really excited to get this open. Big shout out to Shake and Quake on Instagram. That's Shake, the letter N, and then Quake, aka Alex Quake, as well. So go follow him. He's the one who made this all possible. Should cut away from my body, but I don't give a shit. I'm suicidal sometimes. Okay. Gotta be careful not to cut too deep into the box. Alright. Let's get it opened up. Big shout out. There was also a message on top of the package. Thank you so much, bro. I really appreciate it too. Alright, let's get this puppy opened. Got a lot of bubble in here, man. Nice job on the packing, I gotta say. This is first time packing anything ever. Oh! Oh yes, man. Oh, come on. Dude! Oh! Hell yeah, dude. Man, that looks so sick. Oh. Oh, I finally have my comic Spider-Man. Let's go. That is the comic Spider-Man, dude. I love that thing. Bro, that is dope. Dude, hell yeah. Thank you, dude. Oh my god. Alright. Oh, this one's heavy. We're gonna open that one last. Gonna have another unboxing video for you guys tomorrow as well. It's only gonna be one figure, but it's still a pretty cool figure, so I figured why not do an unboxing on it. I don't know why I keep closing my knife, I guess for safety reasons. Got some red in there. You guys probably already know what this is. Oh my god. I'm excited for this guy too, to be honest. Oh, I finally have a Carnage, bro. Oh, he looks so beautiful, dude. I love that metallic sheen. Oh my god. Okay, so the axe is a little warped, but that's alright. That can be fixed up pretty easily. Oh man, the tendrils are warped too. That's okay. I actually kind of like them better like that, to be honest. I like the warped tendrils versus how they're actually supposed to. Dude, this is so sick. Oh my god. Can his legs go out? Okay, his legs can actually go out. That's good. I like that. Oh, yes. Came with all of his accessories, obviously, they're all in here. Oh my god, and last, but most certainly not least, boys. Oh yeah. Getting into the beefy stuff now. I don't even need the knife for this, I don't think. Yeah, this should be pretty easy to open. I've never ever seen these figures in person, by the way. That's probably why they're like so cool to me. Oh. Fucking monster venom, dude. Yes. Let's build him right now. I want to build him right now for you guys. Bro, oh my god, his arms are huge. God damn. Look at that. Compared to my hand, dude. Holy shit. Let's get this beefy boy out of here. Get his legs out. Oh yeah, dude. And the paint is nice and clean for the most part. That's not even bad. Okay, let's get him built. Let's quit stalling. Goes in there nice and easy. That's not too bad. Ooh, okay. Oh, come on, Venom. Work with me here. Oh. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's not coming back off. Woo! Actually hurt my shoulder a little bit. Oh, yes. Oh, man. Pretty hard to bend, actually. I might need to put some hot water over him. Yeah, he's gonna need some hot water, but he looks fucking sick. Let's compare him to Carnage real quick. Wow, look at that size difference. Yeah, man, that's my Venom right there. I'm gonna get the Eddie Brock version as well for you guys, but I'm so excited to review all three of these figures. That little Dorps figure was nice too, man. Thank you so much. And the note, I really appreciate it. I was gonna throw a note into your package as well, but I completely forgot, so I'm sorry. But from the bottom of my heart, dude, this is my note to you right here, this whole video. Thank you so much, Alex. I really appreciate this, bro. And thank you guys for watching this. I'm sorry it droned on for 6 minutes or 7 minutes. But man, these, oh dude. And it's an official, okay, obviously I trust him and stuff, but just, wow, dude, I can't believe this. I have it. I have it, finally, dude. Oh, yes. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace!